You gonna feed Blue?
There you go.
Yeah, good boy.
Nope, no throwing. No throwing. No throwing.
Are you feeding Blue his dinner?
Oh, now he's gonna start throwing it. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Or are you recording it?
Yeah. There you go. I don't think Blue would normally eat at our house, but since Avery is feeding him, don't dump it. One piece at a time, baby. You got it? Give Blue some. Okay, Blue got one piece that you dropped. Okay, you're done.
Start making a lot of noise.
Okay.
Nope.
No, you can't have the ice cream cupcakes that Mommy has stashed for her and Simone. You can feed Blue, though. Uh-oh. Wait. Blue's eating it, though. One piece at a time.
Blue doesn't eat normally.
My dogs are all disgusted, probably. They're just like... One piece at a time, Avery. Remember, it's for Blue, not for you. Very good, Bug. Yeah, you're a good boy. This is so funny. That's hilarious. Good job, Avery.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. Good job, Blue.
Okay, let's go get more.
It's a bedtime job.
I wonder how long it takes to feed a dog a whole bowl of dog food one piece at a time.
I don't know, but Avery would get her done.
No. Mommy told you no. Alright, fine.
Alright, I think it's done.
Okay, here we go.